Okay, so we're sitting at applying user settings still. And it usually doesn't take this long, but I want you to see, to have a clear image just like that, uses a lot of Wi-Fi minutes, or data I should say. You should see look how fast the light's flashing over there. Now if I had an actual real-time measuring thing instead of the router lights, because I know there's other routers that the lights will actually blink faster. They'd be blinking really fast right now because pulling a high definition remote desktop session takes a lot of packet data. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:57 p.m.
I could either wait for it. Oh, nope, there we go. So it takes a bit of time. And now it actually looks like you're running Windows 8.1 on this 1998 Dell, which, to somebody who didn't want to move the mouse to the top of the screen and see that this was in fact a remote desktop session, they could be quite mystified by it. Now, the one thing I'm probably going to change is that I have a copy of Office 2007 on here. I would much rather have Office 2010 on here. But I have the license for it now, and you'll see that the 3CX My Phone shows up, and because I'm logged in as myself on the domain, it pulls that, so that does work. I am extension 4700. I'll close that out now so it runs in the background. My only thing is, does the sound actually work? I wonder. Oh damn, okay. So yeah, you see if we go to start, Walter Broadnax III. Barely have anything on here though, really. But you see I got the EC2 configuring that Amazon puts on here, Windows PowerShell for AWS, then Microsoft Office 2007. In the future I do plan to get Adobe put on here, but that requires some configuring because I need to set up some new virtual hard drives because the ones they provide me with are very small. So I'll probably have to put on some hard drive, or I'll probably build another virtual hard drive and download the Adobe file and then use my activation code. And at that point in time I may copy over my Office 2010 installer, but that's for a later time. Let's go to the Windows security shortcut and sign out. See, the sign out finishes almost instantly, except for the fact that you're waiting now for the log off scripts. Basically, the only thing I've got in the log off script is that is the thing that stops the Windows time service and then adds my domain controller as a reliable resource. And then after that, it restarts the Windows time service because there's been so many errors with time that it's not even funny. Because the machines out in Oregon shifted to Pacific time zone, which disconnected them from the domain. And there's been all sorts of crazy stuff that's happened. Let's see, what else can I do with this? You'll notice if I go to my computer, I do have my H drive. And that is that is available on any machine. So, yeah. And what else can I do on here? Pretty much it so far, honestly. So I guess I'll be back. I guess I'll be catching you guys downstairs. And in fact, why don't I go ahead and say, Alexa, turn on the basement desk lights. Well, or don't fucking listen to me. Why are you being so annoying right now? Turn on basement desk lights.
Okay.
Let's log off of me here. And you know what? I needed to apply that group policy, but I'll do it later. Alright. Running log off scripts. This is going to take a while to do. But we will see what we have going on here in a second. I do have some exciting stuff to show downstairs. I got a couple upgrades at some of my machines, so they run a little better. But that's pretty much it. Just waiting for the log off scripts to process. See how long it's going to take. Alright. You see it's using a bunch of data packets. So it is doing something. It's not just stuck. I know the log off scripts take a while to run on Windows 2000, so I think I'm just going to cut the video here, and I'll pick it back up when I get to the basement. Alright, peace.